Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to present Achievement Award in Sound.
Okay. Good evening, Baesa. During the Chaplin era, there would not have been need for this category. It started with the jazz singer. Afterwards, film started talking. Now, as Africa takes its place as a new frontier, sound should be an integral part of the cinema. And when this is in sync with picture, the experience is unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, the films that have distinguished themselves in this category include
Ama Achievement in Sound, Sinking Suns.
I love this singer.
What are we doing here?
Well, I thought we could just enjoy a musical evening.
A drunkard.
The worst kind. I tried to make my marriage work. I convinced myself.
Shirley Adams.
Early November. I know. I was saying the other day, should get aircon in the house. It's so expensive. Anyway, Jeremy said he was gonna ask some friend Louise or something. Tell me.
Izulu Lami. Viva River. Tango with me.
The MD is a very powerful woman. She has risen to the top by sheer willpower and, quite frankly, unparalleled brilliance. Look, if she takes an interest in you and your job, believe me, lap it all up. It means you have promise. Don't ruin it by being unnecessarily nervous.
But what do I do? I mean, even the HOD is looking at me strange like I'm skipping authority.
Forget his incompetent ass. Look, when Madame calls, be confident. Show her the Shanghai.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is
Shirley Adams from South Africa.
Congratulations. Let me go right here. Want to say something? Okay.
Good evening, Baelsa. I told you earlier on that South Africa is going to show you Pepe. This is the Pepe. Unfortunately, this is not my award, but I'm accepting it on behalf of the winner. And I wish South Africa was watching. Well done to us. Thank you.